Map C. Mohenjo-daro had straight streets and large public buildings and meeting places. Its two-story houses were built of baked bricks, and many included rooms for bathing. Links near and far. Directions. Use Map C, Mohenjo-daro, to answer the following questions. Letter A. What barrier enclosed the city of Mohenjo-daro? And type your answer on the yellow line. Letter B. What major public buildings did Mohenjo-daro have? And type your answers on the yellow line. Letter C. How was Mohenjo-daro like cities today? And type your answer on the yellow line. Letter D. How was Mohenjo-daro different from cities today? And type your answer on the yellow line. Be sure to use the key at the upper right corner of this map to help you answer these questions and how they are labeled on the map.